Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio Tutorial 43. And today's topic is how to add a marching note animation in an Oracle architecture diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture feature and then you would be redirected to our AI builder page. In this page we use it in general for our cloud architecture diagram generation in 15 to 20 seconds using AI, and it creates enterprise ready diagrams in just 15 to 20 seconds. And today we are discussing about Oracle diagrams, so please choose your cloud provider as Oracle. I have already generated the architecture for multi-region active passive architecture in AI Line Studio. Okay, so today we are talking about marching dot animation. Simply go to the animation panel, open it, you would see the second option is marching dots. Click on it and see marching dots has started. These dots are practically multiple dots which travel around the edges to show the flow of the diagram. Now if you want to increase the size, increase the number of dots, you can do this. Decrease, you can do this. If you want to increase the spacing, you can do here. If you want to increase the animation speed, decrease, you can do it this way. And if you want to increase the depth and fade, you can use this. If you want to increase or decrease the dot size, you can use this bar. If you want to change the color, you can change it using this dot color, and you can increase and decrease the glow intensity as well. So basically adding a marching dot animation in AI Line Studio helps you to make your diagram more dynamic and easy to understand. So this is